What's up, hippie gang? It's the hippie Krissy, and I'm back with another video. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I just freshly washed my hair yesterday. I am going to be using these lovely lock bows from Unruly Jewelry. That's like if you need glass lock beads, she got it. And they're jumbo size, so I'm going to be using these and styling my hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification just so that you know when your girl posts videos. And if you're new to the hippie gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and be a part of the family. Come on, it's positive vibes over here, and it's free 99. It don't cost you nothing to hit that subscribe button, okay? Stay tuned for the video. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game. Okay, to start off with this tutorial, I am going to use a brush. Of course, the glass bows from unrulyjewelry.com. I'm using my rose water mist that I made. I'm using also my grow oil that I made. And I'm using some bubble hair ties just for an aesthetic. And I'm also using black hair ties. And then we can't forget the edge control, okay? The edges got to be on swim, okay? So I am taking my rose water mist and I'm going to mist my entire head because it was kind of dry. I did a steam treatment before I washed my hair, so it was nice and hydrated. However, it just got dry. Locks just get dry over time, so you just have to keep it moisturized and hydrated. So that's what you see me doing here. Look at my roots looking all clean and stuff. Y'all stop playing with me. Hydrate, okay? And if you want to cop my rose water mist, let me know, okay? Send me a message. Okay, now I'm going to follow that off with my grow oil. I'm just taking a little bit in my hands and rubbing it together just to moisturize after, well, basically sealing the moisture. So that's what I'm doing. If you see any particles, that's because it has some goodies in there. And benefit. Ooh, look at them curls. You see that definition? Stop playing. Okay, so now I'm going to just section my hair down the middle, and I am just going to do my two pigtails. So that's what you see me doing here, is just sectioning it off into a ponytail on each side. Yeah, I needed the mirror to see what I was doing because, yeah, I got to know. Okay? But yeah, y'all, so I just take it, scoop my hair up into a ponytail on each side with my hair ties, my black hair ties that I showed you in the beginning. And we just getting it real snatched real quick. And then we gonna get started to the next step. Hey. Now this black hair tie that I used was a piece of a fishnet stockings that I had, and I just cut it in half. That's it. That's all. Okay? You could do it too. DIY. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off maybe like 2 or 3 locks, and I'm putting the lock glass bow through that section just so that when I put it in a hair tie, everything just seamlessly goes in place and the bead just does not just slide out. So that's why I'm doing that here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting my lock through, and when it gets tight enough, so maybe I'll put a third one through there, and then I'll wrap the hair tie after that, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Same thing. Putting the glass bead through maybe 3 of my locks before I place the hair tie and put it in a ponytail. I kind of had forgot to brush the other side, but that's okay because it's going to get brushed. It's going to get tamed. And I was not looking for a neat look. Messy, cute, fun look. I have some little glass beads that I decorate my locks with. So, and that's also from unrulyjewelry.com. And I'm just putting it sporadically through my locks on whichever one I want. Just to make it have some flavor. You know how I do, hippie gang. You know how I do. At this point, I kind of wanted to change my mind. So I decided to do some cute little messy buns because I wasn't feeling my hair just hanging down. I wanted it to be more cute. Just decided to take the bubble hair ties and make a cute little messy bun. So that's what I did. Get into it, okay? Get into it.
The time is right, we both conscious. Got grabber with OG Kush, my high, my conscious. I only want that good. You say you got that good, prove it. You give it to you like my rent due. Name is size of blue. If you're fucking with me, yeah, I feel lick it all the way to the tip. Don't let it drip, yeah. Clean it up, light me on fire when you're ready to hit this. Far from average, intellect with savage, Loc Style. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. These are some of the earrings. She doesn't have these anymore, but I just wanted to show y'all. My ears is stretched. So, but even if your ears is stretched, you can still wear her jewelry. You could just put it in the actual earlobe. Let me zoom in. So you could actually just put it in the actual hole and boom. But I just thought I would come on and show you guys because these earrings are really bomb. Isn't it? Oh my gosh. But yeah, that was it. That was all I wanted to say. So that is the look. This is the look, y'all. And yeah, something quick and easy. Just 2 ponytails using these lock bows, and these are just so cute. And if you want to check out her website, go to www.unrulyjewelry.com. She got some bomb stuff. She even has earrings. She has fold gauges. She has everything. If you need anything different, that's why it's called Unruly Jewelry. I'm gonna put my promo code in the description below so that you guys can get a discount off of the jewelry. And yeah, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up the video. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Until the next video, I already know how I do. Stay positive, keep positive vibrations always. I don't know, hippie shit. Remember, stay positive, stay positive, keep positive.